today I'll show you how to prepare some chutneys, very spicy, sweet and sour in taste to make your snacks tasty. First I'll show you how to prepare tamarind chutney. This is sweet and sour in taste. Here I've taken some tamarind. This is very sour in taste. Some jaggery here. Instead of this you can take sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, some garam masala, and some fried cumin and chili flakes. This is Kashmiri red mirch for color. Instead of this you can take paprika. Now I take 38 grams of tamarind, 73 grams of jaggery. Just put some water into this tamarind, mix it well. Here I am using half a cup of water in this cup. Now take a pan, put it on the heating plate, mash it properly so that juice will come out, and strain it on a strainer. Leave it to boil, mix it well, then add now the jaggery into it. Again mix it well, adding now salt here, mix it well and leave it to boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the garam masala, fried cumin and chili flakes. Mix it well. Leave it to boil for 5 minutes again. And then at last, add the Kashmiri red mirch to make this chutney colorful. Our tamarind chutney is ready now. So I am transferring into a bowl. It looks nice, and this chutney you can serve with any Indian snacks. For example, samosa, pani puri, chaat, pakoras, any kind of snacks. Now I'll show you how to prepare tomato chutney. This is sour in taste. Here I've taken some medium-sized tomato, some dried chili, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, soya sauce and white vinegar. Now I take 351 grams of tomato, 2 grams of dried chili, 5 grams of garlic. So just remove the stem of chili and pour some water into it and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will be soaked the water and little bit soft. Cut the tomato the way I cut it here. Put the finely chopped garlic and dried chili. Cut the tomato like this, it will be easy to cook, and put it in the micro oven up to 6 minutes in the medium high heat. Cook up to 6 minutes. Peel the tomato when it will be in the normal temperature. After that add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of soya sauce and half teaspoon of vinegar. Then blend it on a blender or anything you can use it here to blend. Our tomato chutney is ready now, and this can be served with momos or any Indian snacks. Now I'll show you guys how to prepare green chutney. To make this chutney, here I've taken some fresh coriander leaves, half lemon, 2 green chili, some fresh mint leaves from my kitchen garden. I washed it now, and here I have taken half teaspoon of salt. This is 117 grams of coriander leaves. I am putting into a blending jar. 2 grams of mint leaves also I am adding there, and this green chili, and just squeeze this lemon and take the juice. Add the salt here. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons of water into that jar. I just made it into a fine paste. It looks very yummy and it can be served with any kind of Indian snacks. If you like this video, do like and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for the further notification and comment below, friends. So till then, take care. Bye bye.